Before buying a VHS to DVD converter, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Porta VHS to digital converter. First up is the Porta VHS to digital converter. Priced at $128.99, this little gadget caught my eye because of its broad compatibility with various devices like VHS, VCR, and even gaming consoles. If you want to effortlessly convert and store your old analog tapes into digital formats, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It records in 1080p resolution, which means your old home movies will look surprisingly sharp on modern screens. Plus, it's super easy to use. There's no need for a computer, software, or drivers. You just plug it in and you're good to go. The built-in speaker and 3-inch preview screen let you check what you're capturing right on the device. It's received solid ratings, with 4.5 stars from 1,800 reviews and over 2,000 units sold just last month. Now, some people complained about the fact that it can't play tapes independently, which can be a bummer if you were hoping to watch your tapes without any extra devices. Here's the thing though, it's primarily a converter, so that's not really a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you have a collection of old tapes and want a straightforward way to digitize them. Skip this one if you want a standalone player though. For the price, the quality is pretty impressive. Now, if the Porta's lack of standalone playback bothered you, this next option might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 2, ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2. Next is the ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2, priced at $129.95. This model stood out to me thanks to its easy setup and user-friendly interface. If you want to convert your old videotapes with just the touch of a button, this is worth considering. What makes this converter appealing is that it records in SD 640x480 or 720x480 resolution, making it simple to digitize your VHS, DVD, or even retro gaming tapes. It directly saves your recordings onto a USB flash drive or SD card, which means no software or computer is needed. With 5,400 reviews and a similar 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users find it reliable. That said, some folks noted that it doesn't upscale to HD, which can be disappointing if you're expecting top-notch quality. But honestly, if you're just looking to preserve old memories, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss way to convert your old tapes. Skip this if you need high-definition output, as you might be left wanting. Overall, it's solid for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list has a different approach. Product number 3, VIXLW VHS to digital converter. Now let's talk about the VIXLW VHS to digital converter, which is a budget-friendly option at just $24.29. This caught my attention because it's an affordable solution for anyone looking to dip their toes into converting without breaking the bank. If you're trying to digitize your memories and want something easy on the wallet, this one's worth a look. The VIXLW converter digitizes video from VHS, Hi8, and more directly to your PC or Mac. It supports various formats, automatically detecting NTSC and PAL video signals, which is great for versatility. What's nice is that it captures at a maximum resolution of 1920x1080, so your conversions can look decent. Plus, it comes with user-friendly software that makes the process quite straightforward, even for the less tech-savvy. With a solid 4.3-star rating from 3,000 reviews, it's clear many users find it effective. However, one downside is that some users mentioned it can be a bit finicky with setup, especially if you're not familiar with video capture software. But let's be real, most people find a way around that with the help of online tutorials. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want to preserve your old videos. Skip this if you're looking for a high-end, top-quality converter, as it may not meet those expectations. For the price, you can't really beat it. Now, if the budget aspect of the VIXLW caught your attention, you'll want to hear about the next product that offers a bit more finesse. Product number 4, VIXLW USB Video Capture Card. Next up is another budget option from VIXLW, the USB video capture card, priced at just $12.99. This one piqued my interest because it's incredibly affordable and compact. If you're looking for a super simple way to capture videos without any frills, this might be for you. It supports HD 720p output, which is pretty impressive for the price. The plug-and-play feature means you don't need to wrestle with complicated setups, just connect it and it starts capturing. It works with various software options like OBS Studio and QuickTime, making it quite versatile. With a 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its ease of use. But honestly, this is a common trade-off for budget capture devices, and most people adapt quickly. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, straightforward way to digitize your old tapes at a low cost. Skip this if you prefer a standalone device for capturing, as this one needs a computer. For what you pay, it's a solid option. Now, if you're intrigued by the simplicity of the capture card, but want something with a bit more functionality, listen up for our final product. Product number 5, ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 3. Last but not least, we have the ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 3, which comes in at $189.95. This one really caught my eye because of its advanced features and user-friendly design. If you want to capture both audio and video from various sources seamlessly, this is worth considering. The added features like a built-in rechargeable battery make it portable, and it also supports a wide range of devices, including cassette tapes and turntables. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 757 reviews, many users seem to appreciate its versatility. Now, one downside is the price point. Some users might find it a bit steep compared to other options on the list. But let's be real, if you want a comprehensive tool that can handle different media formats, the investment might just be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-quality conversion tool that's versatile and user-friendly. Skip this if you only need a basic converter, as it might be overkill for your needs. For what it offers, the value is pretty solid. So there you have it. Each of these converters has its strengths and weaknesses, but they all serve a purpose in helping you preserve those nostalgic memories. To wrap it up, we covered the Porta VHS to digital converter, the ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2, the budget-friendly VIXLW options, and finally the ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 3. Depending on your needs, budget, quality, and features, there's a solid option for everyone. Hope this helps you find the right converter for your precious memories.